Canceling a Spectrum mobile line in 2025 requires understanding their current policies to avoid unexpected charges. Recent changes have made the process more accessible, but there are important fee considerations to keep in mind. As of early March 2025, Spectrum stores can now process mobile service cancellations. This is a significant change, as previously this option wasn't available to customers. The primary method for cancellation is by calling Spectrum's customer service at 833-224-6603. Have your account number, PIN, and any other relevant details ready when you contact them. However, Spectrum typically doesn't offer prorated refunds, so canceling mid-billing cycle means paying for the entire month. This is an important cost consideration when timing your cancellation. Be aware that canceling Spectrum Internet alongside your mobile service can significantly impact your mobile rates. You may lose bundle discounts and face additional monthly charges. Keeping Spectrum Mobile without Spectrum Internet may result in a monthly charge of $10 to $20 per line. Finally, if you have a device payment plan, canceling your mobile line will trigger the full remaining balance to become due on your next bill. This can result in a significant one-time charge, so factor this into your cancellation decision. Understanding these current policies will help you avoid unexpected charges when canceling your Spectrum mobile service in 2025. Plan your timing carefully and be prepared for any associated costs. Before canceling your Spectrum mobile service, there are several important considerations that could save you money and avoid unexpected charges. First, carefully review your Spectrum mobile service agreement to understand any potential fees or contractual obligations that may apply when you cancel. If you are leasing any devices from Spectrum, you must return them in good working condition to avoid additional charges on your final bill. Make sure to pay any outstanding balances on your account before canceling to avoid collection issues or damage to your credit score. Remember that Spectrum Mobile operates on a month-to-month service basis, which gives them the flexibility to change fees and terms at any time. Canceling your Spectrum Internet service could lead to a loss of bundle discounts on your mobile service, potentially increasing your overall monthly costs significantly. Here's an important example. If you cancel service after 12 months on a 36-month device payment plan, you'll be billed for the remaining 24 months of device payments on your next bill. Finally, be aware of the consequences of payment failures. 12 days after your autopay fails, your service will be interrupted. After 90 days of non-payment, your Spectrum mobile service will be permanently disconnected.